Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find an order in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. After that, you can just press on purchases here, and in this page you will be able to find your orders if you press on find an order, and you can just enter here the order number and your email or phone number, and after that you can just press on find order, and if there is such a combination of the order number and your email or phone number, the system will find the order that you are looking for. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.